one of the first equation you will be using is the weight of some liquid. So it's the mass times the gravity constant. In the US customer unit, the weight is in pounds, and then the mass is in slag, which is not really used as much as the international on kilogram. And then the gravity constant is a constant 32.2 feet per second square. If you look at this unit in international unit, the word is in Newton, and then which is not really used much. What is used in international unit is the mass, and then the gravity constant at sea level is that would be meter per second square, like that. And then a few more. So that's weight of a liquid, and then say density. Density is defined by rho, Greek letter rho, R-H-O, rho, and it is mass by volume. So say every feet cube of liquid, how much is the mass? How many slags, like that. So you have 1 feet this way, 1 feet this way, and 1 feet high box. How much is the mass? And then in the international system, the density is more used because of the kilogram, which is used more. But in US customary system, is the specific weight, gamma, is used instead of rho. So a specific weight, which is gamma, is weight per volume. So basically the same thing. You multiply this by z, and then you get that weight per volume. Same thing like 1 feet cube of liquid or any gas, any fluid, how much that weight. So 1 feet, 1 feet, 1 feet, like that, in on foot, and and then how much that weight. So we can go a little bit of extension of that. So gamma is W by V. So we can write, say, mz is W. So V, and then m by V, we can separate that, Z, like that. So we can write gamma equal rho Z. So that's another equation you may have to use. I suggest start with the basic instead of the equation. Number 2 is number 3. That would be our number 4 equation. Now one more thing called specific gravity, SZ, which is the how heavy something with respect to water. So water gamma, and then that we can convert this with rho. For instance, we can write, instead of gamma of some liquid, we can write rho z from this equation, and then we can do same thing for water, rho z for water. As you can see, if we are living in the same place, the g constant is same, so the gravity constant is same, so you can simply write rho by rho of water. So that would be question number 5. Question number 4. These are some basics of fluid power that we're going to study in this class.